This is a walkthrough of room 1103, which is a tower premium room, newly renovated at El Cortez in downtown Vegas. I quite like the old school light outside each room, which as you can see is a feature as you look down the corridor. And interestingly here, you don't get a key card, you get a wristband, which is your key. And it actually works. So this, I do like this room, and it sort of reminds me a little bit of the New York remodels. They've done it in a slightly more oldie worldy style, look, with sort of fake beams there, a sort of fake four-poster bed. But it does look very comfortable, the bed. Very, very comfortable. Some drawer space there. Seating area, chaise lounge seating area. I do like the artwork. Very Vegasy with a Aladdin's lamp and sparkly stilettos. And some old school El Cortez pictures behind the bed. And then over here, nice big TV, workstation. You do get a coffee machine and a couple of bottles of water in the room. And a fridge for your own stuff as well, which is nice. Another seating area there. 7 Magic Mountains. And yeah, it's definitely a sort of loft design akin to the New York design. Everything sort of out in the open, no doors on the hanging space, etc. You've got your safe there, nice little plant, and a makeup area here. Come back to the view in a second. Yeah, it's a really nice room. I like it, really do like it. But I'd probably actually, this bathroom, this is probably what makes me think of New York, actually, this bathroom with the brick effect tiles. Really smart. Now these bathrooms in these tower rooms, I last stayed in El Cortez in 2015, which was my second ever vlog series. And from memory, these bathrooms, they had the most awful shower tub combo and toilet, which was, it was either bright pink or bright green, sort of 1970s green or pink. I can't quite remember which one it was now. There's a video somewhere if you choose to search it out. And it's nice to see that the windows that open in the shower still do open. They haven't closed them off, so you've got a little window there that opens. But the shower looks nice. And the bathroom as a whole is really nicely done. I like it, really like it. Now I got this offer. I mean, you're probably saying, oh, he's not staying at Plaza. Why is that? Well, I got an offer for 5 free nights at Plaza, which I booked for my August trip with Suzanne. So I'd already used my offer up. So I couldn't do it a second time. So I thought, right, where am I going to stay downtown? And it was a toss-up between here and Downtown Grand. I was literally at the point of booking the Downtown Grand. And I had, because I hadn't heard anything from El Cortez since my last trip here, where, if you remember, I lost $800 on Huff and Even More Puff. That is literally the only gambling I've done in this place, probably in 5 years, really. So, and I hadn't heard anything, and I thought, oh, well, I'm not going to get any offers. And literally that day I was going to book Downtown Grand, I got an offer saying 3 free nights in a renovated Tower Premium room, $75 in free play, and $100 in resort credit to use in one of the restaurants here. So I thought that was pretty good for just an $800 loss. Now, of course, maybe if I just played through 800 and not lost it, I might have still got the same offer. But certainly I think if I was to deflect away from Plaza, it would probably be here these days. So I'm quite pleased to be on the sort of radar at El Cortez for future, certainly solo trips. Suzanne probably wouldn't stay here because there's no pool. Anyway, let's have a look at the view, because you do get a decent view of the Strip from these tower rooms. As the room number suggests, I'm on the 11th floor. So a nice view of the Strat. And Fontainebleau, of course, now. So yeah, really pleased with this. Looking forward to gambling here. Booked in for 3 nights, as I said. I'm only actually staying here 2 nights, and we'll be sort of downtown for most of the day on the 3rd night, and then just heading down to Delano, sorry, for 3 nights after that. So yeah, looking forward to gambling here. It's great to be back in Vegas, as always. Quick shower for me after a 10-hour flight, and let's hit those slots. I'll see you in the regular vlog. Take care.